unlocking viral success on YouTube Shorts. Why some Shorts videos gets millions of views and some are flop. Have you ever thought that it happened? Are they lucky, or they use some strategies to get millions of views? So you want to get 1 million views on your YouTube Shorts? You can. But how? Don't worry. Unlike your high school crush, the algorithm doesn't ghost you if you know how to play the game. Today, I'll show you the secrets that the top creators use to turn simple ideas into viral hits. And spoiler alert, you don't need to dance or own a pet that does backflips, though if you do, you're already ahead of the game. Let's jump in. First things first, you've got 3 seconds. Not 3 minutes, not 30 seconds, 3. In the world of Shorts, attention spans are shorter than a goldfish binge-watching Netflix. Your hook needs to slap. Ask a crazy question, drop a surprising fact, or just say something so weird people have to stick around. For example, did you know the algorithm loves pineapples? Okay, maybe not that, but you get the idea. Now that you've hooked them, don't waste time. People don't come to Shorts for their TED Talk. They want bite-sized entertainment or value. Think of it like giving candy to a kid. Keep it sweet and quick. If you're teaching something, skip the backstory. Nobody cares about the history of hashtags. They just want to know which ones will blow up their video. Let's talk about consistency. The algo,